So let me ask you a question. Are you impressed? Well, probably not, because I haven't said anything. And I guess I'm not always impressive. But one of the things that many medical reps try to do when they get in front of a customer is to, ta-da, impress them. Impress them with what? Impress them with their knowledge about the specialty, about the human body, about medicine, about healthcare, and definitely about their products and services. What's the problem with this approach? Well, the problem is that a lot of your customers don't want to be impressed, and they don't have time to be impressed. But there is a way that you can still impress them. You want to know what it is? Sure, well, here it is. Don't focus on your products, at least initially. Focus on the HCP and the patient. In other words, they need to feel that you are there because you care. You care about the outcomes they're getting. You care about the outcomes for their patients. What they don't want to feel and what won't impress them is if they feel like you're just there to make a sale. Remember, they don't really care about your product. What they care about is their problems, their practice, and their patient. Thanks for joining me on the Medical Sales Minute. I'm Mace Haroff. We'll talk again soon. See ya. Before you go, if you'd like to know the secrets that the very top medical reps use to gain access, engage healthcare professionals, and close more sales without boring the crap out of their customers or being pushy, sign up for my free mini training course. It's a video masterclass that consists of 4 training videos and a downloadable workbook. Get more information and sign up at medicalsalestraining.com/masterclass. Don't miss this free and valuable training. It's only available for a short time. medicalsalestraining.com/masterclass.